has mentioned. The first problem is the lack of motivation nowadays we find. That trend is deteriorating, and that is like students they find less interesting, mathematics less interesting. And as Madam has already mentioned that they think that mathematics is something like routine something and formulas and symbols and all these things, and they lose interest in it finally. That is number one, problem one. And the second problem is we have some students who have some aptitudes towards mathematics, they develop some kind of aptitudes, but because of the lack of guidance or proper supervisorship, or maybe some kind of exposure, finally they end up with something not suitable or not favorable to mathematics learning and environment of the mathematics learning. So this particular workshop is mainly meant for the second group of people. Like we have some students who have the aptitude towards mathematics in some sense. We need to make them exposed to mathematics, further scopes